Hi everyone, this is a video about this auto skin tag remover kit, which is really helpful, and this is the upgraded version that it can accept from 3 to 4 millimeter small skin tags and from 4 to 8 millimeters skin tags. So the special thing about this is just have the capability of removing larger skin tags as well. And the original one, which I made a video about it was capable of removing just the small skin tags, not the very large ones. And I show you how it works, and then we go to have a look at it shortly. And here it says is removing most skin tags within 3 to 14 days. 3 is a long shot. I don't think that is possible because these skin tags, they are very, very persistent, and the skin blood flow is really, really good to it. That's why it's just hanging around, and and it's very resilient. Anyhow, here it says application in minute, which is absolutely right, and then no freeze or burning. An application of this is even whoever that even try to tie a knot around the skin tag, even at a very accessible areas that you can use both of your hands and your eyes without the aid of mirror, they know that it's very difficult. And this one is really useful. And by all means, I recommend this. And the maker of this is Sefadoon, I don't know, or Sefadoon, whatever that is very good. And at the back, it just shows you how to remove this, use this instruction manual. And then here it says what it comes in this box, which is, let me get everything out of the box, and then I tell you what, which one is which. OCD attack. Here is everything that is inside the box, including this, how to install these attachments. The green one is for the smaller skin tags within 3 to 4 millimeters and 2 to 4 millimeters, and this one, the blue one, is for the 4 to 8 millimeters skin tags. So I put this also here in viewing area, and then I'm gonna show you more about that. So here it says what it comes in the box: a small size skin tag remover head, large size skin tag remover head. I think we are talking about large blue, small green, and then pen band remover, and then instruction manual, pen band remover, let's see which one is that, and then cleansing wipe, small size rubber bands, 2 to 4 millimeters, large one 4 to 8 millimeters. So these two, they are the skin tag remover heads, these two, and then these two are designed for the placing the skin tag to the end of this. I'll show you exactly how it works. So I put this here, and then this is the applicator. I call it applicator. That is, it has some sort of rubbery feeling, very soft rubbery feeling to this area, and all of this is plastic. And this is the plunger that you push down for placing the skin tag around your the rubber bands or silicone rubber bands to the base of your skin tag. And then for the small one, you just first you have to use these attachments. Let me see if I can show you. You see, this is for the small one, and you have to place your skin tag in the center of this. So first you push this to the center of this plunger, and then you place the other part, you know, the narrow parts outside, you push it in there, and then the small, I think I call this the rubber band applicator, or you know, because it places the rubber bands to this base. So let me go for 2 to 4 millimeter, which this one is designed for. So green for the small and blue for the larger ones. So it has a catch here, so uncatch it. You have to be very careful with this. They're all over the place, so don't lose them, because buying each of these boxes is about £6, and I think they provide 30 of them in there. So I get this and put this aside gently, and my experience is how to place this round this nozzle. You just push this to the center of that rubber band, and then push your nails, not with fingers. Well, you can do that, but I done that and I tore it apart. So let me just see if it's going to. So you just push this very gently to the end of, is really tight. So you see, with your nails from the top is much easier. This one is extra tight. Yeah. And then when it's gone down to this area, you just take this one out and then place your skin tag in the center of this and push it rather, and then plunge the band around this, around there. Just imagine this one is your skin tag, and now when you plunge it, it just places the rubber band to the base of your skin tag. So this is just for the demonstration. I hope you appreciate that. You know, I'm not gonna do my skin tag on video because it might be a little bit yucky for some people, and I show you the how to place the applicator for the larger skin tags. They are the same. The technique is the same. You just this notch is going to the center of this. If you want, you can plunge it in to see better, and then push that one in, and then place this around here, and then the rubber band applicator, it goes here, and then you have to use the larger band, exactly the same as the smaller band that I showed you. I don't want this video to go too long. I just wanted to show you that this one is capable of remove the larger skin tags, 4 to 8 millimeters. If you want to know how big is 4 to 8 millimeters, every section here is 10 millimeters. So you can imagine the size of the skin tag that you can remove with this. And let me just show you here. This is the hole that you place your skin tag in there, and then the rubber band is going to the base of it. So this is the large ones. This one is the small one. You can see the size different. I haven't got larger ones to tell you my experience, but in general, my experience is just the way that you applying these rubber bands is much easier, even in some inaccessible areas that is really hard to reach. As long as you can put a skin tag, you can see the skin tag, put it into the center of these two, you're okay. And then push in and plunge it in, and that's it. Anyhow, the price of this is going from £9 from China and £12 from here up to £15. So it's a really, really good thing to have if you're suffering from, a skin tag problem. So by all means, I'm going to recommend this item, which is really good and well explained how to use each part and how to remove them, and it has color coded. It's really, really versatile, and it shows you how many do you have. And if you have this remover, you can purchase the silicone rubber bands or rubber bands from eBay. 30 of them, I think, as I mentioned before, is about £6. Anyway, by all means, try this, and I am so happy that this one has the capability of removing larger ones, because some people they have larger skin tags. Anyhow, so I hope that you enjoyed this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.